welcome to Vlogmas day, I think number 5. Today is Sunday and it's snowing outside, so I'm not gonna do much or really anything outside, but I am going to get my house clean. So that's going to be the task today, is to get my house completely cleaned. We usually go to church on Sunday, but since it snowed out a lot last night and it's still snowing, we decided to just watch church from home, because our church does a live service on Facebook. So you just follow them on Facebook and then you can watch the live service, which turned out to be really nice. It was our first time ever doing that. Yeah, so we do live kind of far away from church. We're about a good 20 to 30 minutes, I think. So yeah, we didn't want to risk going out on the roads because they were not even plowed this morning at that time yet. So Rocky is trying to get into everything in my beauty room. Do you see him down there? That's what it's like having dogs. So yeah, I think I'm going to clean the house. Chris is gonna go out and snow blow the driveway. So that's what he's gonna do. I'm going to clean and organize and fix the Christmas tree. Let me show you guys the Christmas tree. It looks horrible. Okay, so this is the Christmas tree. It just looks bad, okay? There's a lot of ornaments like right in this region. When you go off to the side, there's like nothing. And then you go to this side and there's nothing. And there's like these big gaps in the tree. I don't even know what to do with them. And then on top, there's absolutely nothing. There's a little bit of ribbon, but all of the ribbon was supposed to be like tucked into the tree, and it's not. So I'm thinking I'm gonna just take off all the ribbon and fix these beads because they're like falling. They're not even like draped into the tree at all. And there's, like I said, nothing up above. So I'm going to fix this tree today. I got the skirt, so I'm gonna put the tree skirt in. But let me give you a little glimpse of how dirty my house is. Are you guys ready? This doesn't even show you guys, really, let me show you. Antonio and Nico are eating right now, but look at my counters. This is bad. Someone was eating eggs and just, yeah, this is horrible. This kitchen is such a mess. So, and this is just one room in the house. The living room needs a good clean, and then all of these totes need to be put away. My bedroom is disgusting right now. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Let me show you guys the snow. This is what it looks like outside. Over there is where my snowmen and trees and stuff were. They're all covered in snow. And the snow is blowing, so it's coming underneath our thing here. I did not think that these trees would get touched with snow at all. And I forgot to bring the knife in. Well, you know. But yeah, this is what it looks like outside right now. I'm trying to show you guys, I don't even want to go over there because it's so deep. But this all needs to be shoveled, and the driveway needs to be plowed and all that good stuff. So that is what Chris is going to do. He's going to work outside while I clean the inside.
Who
was cleaning the living room and then I forgot that I had to put some more ornaments on the tree. So I decided to put some ornaments on the tree and then clean the living room, because every time that I put stuff on the tree, the flocking comes off the tree. So I was filming a little bit of me putting some more ornaments on the tree, and then my camera battery died. So I had to go and grab the other one. I did put some more up on top, and then I removed a lot of the ribbon. When I came across it, I removed the ribbon. And I think this is the best that I'm going to get it. But I was looking in our Christmas totes and I found this. So I'm thinking that I might throw some tinsel on the tree, because then it will like maybe fill in some of the bare spots. So I have 4 of these, so I think that's what I'm gonna do. I wasn't going to do the tinsel this year, but I think we have to.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss it.
Okay, so this is what the tree finally looks like. Again, the very tippy top up there. I can't get up there. So Chris is gonna have to get up there and throw some stuff up there. I do have a couple more things of tinsel, so I'm gonna have Chris get up there and put some tinsel up there, so then it will look better. But I think the tinsel kind of helped.
Oh, and the sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart.
It was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business in my little prison shop, when the bell on the door jingled once more, and then time almost came to a stop. But somehow I knew, and maybe so did you, that everything would change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas on, from this Christmas on. Decorating the tree from this Christmas. forgot what you came for. And in the coffee shop just next door, we talked for hours on end. And somehow we knew that we'd found something true, and that everything would change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas on, this Christmas on.
Christmas decorated in town, among all the tinsel and lights.
So it is 9 o'clock right now, and I finally got the whole house cleaned. I will show you guys what the house looks like right now. I just didn't want to, I'm in my bedroom right now. I didn't want to talk out there because Chris is watching TV and he has the volume up really loud for some reason, or at least it sounds loud to me. But yeah, I'll show you guys what my house looks like now. It looks so much better than what it did before. So yeah, I'm really excited about that. I have to go and edit and upload the vlog from yesterday. I totally forgot to do that. I don't know what I was thinking. So I need to go and edit that video and get that uploaded. And then yeah, I'll edit this video tomorrow and get it uploaded. I also picked the winners for the giveaways, but I don't have the paper on me and I forgot where the paper is. So I will contact them winners and let them know. But don't worry if you did not win. I am going to be doing, what is it, 12 or 10 more giveaways before Christmas time. So if you didn't win, that's fine, because there's many more giveaways happening. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.
The dark pub. Still sometimes I wonder